Cooling today isn't just about capacity. It's about balancing water and energy demands without compromising reliability. Meet the TrilliumSeries Adiabatic cooler, designed to optimize water and energy savings. Evaporative cooling activates only when conditions require it. Compared to other adiabatic alternatives, the TrilliumSeries Adiabatic cooler delivers up to 20% energy savings, lowering utility spend from day one. Intuitive and intelligent controls continuously monitor operating conditions to optimize water and airflow. There are multiple preset modes of operation based on your unique needs. The unit runs dry and sub-freezing temperatures to achieve reliable, year-round operation. The water management system provides maximum energy efficiency and minimum water use. Dual pumps recirculate the system for code compliance and water savings. Large access doors and easy-to-remove pads let you inspect and maintain from the outside, minimizing downtime and simplifying routine service. High-efficiency pre-cooler pads have a unique protective coating and deliver maximum heat rejection. EC fans are programmed to automatically reverse for cleaning of the pad surface, improving system reliability and longevity. With configurations of 4 to 18 fans, this fits a variety of applications with a footprint of up to 20% smaller than comparable adiabatic coolers. It is also easy to install with a single-piece lift with no field assembly required. The TrilliumSeries Adiabatic cooler is built for demanding site requirements. Ready to balance water and energy savings? Contact BAC today.